You've probably done this before. Food comes out of the oven, it smells incredible, and you take a bite immediately. But the moment it hits your mouth, you realize something. It's way too hot. Your tongue burns. You swallow quickly to get rid of the heat. But what you may not realize is that extremely hot food can affect more than just your tongue. It can also impact a long muscular tube inside your body called the esophagus. And when food is hot enough, your body reacts instantly. The esophagus is the tube that carries food from your mouth to your stomach. It's lined with delicate tissue designed to move food downward using muscular contractions called peristalsis. But this tissue is sensitive. When extremely hot food passes through, it can cause what doctors call a thermal injury. Your body immediately activates pain receptors in the throat. These receptors send urgent signals to the brain saying, something is too hot. That burning feeling is actually your nervous system warning you about potential tissue damage. When tissue is exposed to high temperatures, proteins inside cells begin to change structure. This process is similar to how heat cooks food. If the temperature is high enough, the cells lining the esophagus can become irritated or inflamed. In mild cases, this causes temporary discomfort, but repeated exposure to very hot liquids or foods may lead to chronic irritation of the esophageal lining. Your body actually has several protective reflexes designed to prevent heat injury. If something is too hot in your mouth, nerve endings signal your brain almost instantly. You may spit it out, blow air to cool it, or instinctively stop chewing. But sometimes, when food is swallowed quickly, that protective system gets bypassed, and the esophagus receives the full heat exposure. Once hot food reaches the esophagus, several things may occur. First, the tissue lining can become temporarily inflamed. Second, small nerve endings may trigger that familiar burning sensation. Third, the muscles of the esophagus may contract more forcefully as they push the food downward toward the stomach. Fortunately, the esophagus also has the ability to repair minor damage quickly. The lining regenerates new cells regularly, which helps heal small injuries. Occasionally, swallowing hot food usually causes only temporary irritation, but consistently consuming extremely hot beverages or foods may increase the risk of chronic inflammation in the esophagus. Over time, repeated irritation can damage the protective lining. This is why many doctors recommend letting hot food cool slightly before eating. Your digestive system works best when food enters at a safe temperature. The reason hot food burns so intensely in your throat comes down to sensory nerves. The esophagus contains nerve endings that detect temperature and potential injury. When those nerves detect extreme heat, they trigger pain signals that travel rapidly to the brain. That sharp, burning sensation is actually a protective alarm system. It's your body telling you to avoid further damage. So what really happens when you swallow food that's way too hot? Your esophagus detects the heat immediately, pain receptors activate, the tissue may become temporarily irritated, and your body begins repairing the affected cells. Fortunately, your digestive system is remarkably resilient, but letting food cool down before swallowing can help protect one of the most important pathways in your digestive system. If you enjoy learning what really happens inside your body, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And here's something even more intense. What happens to your body when a doctor sets a broken bone without painkillers? Your brain, nerves, and muscles react in powerful ways most people have never seen. In the next video, we'll explore what really happens inside the body during that painful medical moment.